dance on the ashes. And dance on the ashes. And dance on the ashes. I bit the moon and broke a tooth. Now the stars are laughing too. They said my flags were red, so I painted them black instead. I made a crown from bad decisions. Every scar's a superstition. If destiny's a loaded gun, then watch me kiss the barrel for fun. I'm a walking train wreck, a beautiful failure. Let's burn this city down and dance on the ashes. I'm a living apocalypse, a storm of fucked up feelings. Let's burn this city down and dance on the ashes. And dance on the ashes. No sleep, no smiles, just a feral heartbeat coming towards you at light speed. My guardian angel quit without notice. What dumbass gave me free will? The voices in my head just formed a union. I'm not in control anymore. I never was. I'm a walking train wreck, a beautiful failure. Let's burn this city down and dance on the ashes. I'm a living apocalypse, a storm of fucked up feelings. Let's burn this city down and dance on the ashes. The crows elected me their war machine, but every one of those birds aren't real. I chewed through the leash of reality, and now nothing can stop me. Oh shit, that's bad. The moon owes me $20. The sun blocked my number. He's a dick anyway. Grandpa says I'm possessed, and he's dead, so he should know. I'm a walking train wreck, a beautiful failure. Let's burn this city down and dance on the ashes. I am the raccoon who discovered energy drinks, the reason for the warning label. I am the final boss, making family gatherings uncomfortable. A lava lamp, and now my thoughts are legally fluorescent. My blood type is bad idea. I taught my intrusive thoughts how to drive. I've totally lost my mind.